How to get paid to watch videos. Do you love movies and watching television? Well, believe it or not, you can actually get paid to watch videos and television. By doing some simple, mindless video watching, you can make some great money. In fact, if you're serious about it, you can get paid upwards of $500 per month for simply watching videos and movies at home. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as we upload new videos every week to show you how to make money. So this week's video will show you 12 websites where they actually pay you to watch and comment on video. Sounds too good to be true? Trust us, we only promote things we believe in. So let's get going. Swagbucks. One of the easiest ways to make money online is with Swagbucks. You will earn tokens, or as they call them, bucks, for watching a variety of videos ranging from world news, sports, highlights and other themed videos. In addition to getting paid to watch video and movie trailers, you can also make money surfing the web, taking online surveys and even shopping online. When you're ready to be paid, you can redeem your bucks for gift cards or PayPal cash. It's your choice. MyPoints. MyPoints is a sister site to Swagbucks. The way to earn is exactly the same, but your reward options can differ. To earn points, you must complete a watch playlist, the entire playlist, in order to receive the points. Other ways to earn with MyPoints are play video games, take online surveys, read promotional emails, refer a friend, and surf the web. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars also allows you to get paid to watch videos on a daily basis. As one of the leading Swagbucks alternatives, you will also make money completing surveys, playing online games, performing web searches, and signing up for promotional offers. You'll get paid for opening things like sponsored emails from Inbox Dollars. You might also like the Swagbucks alternative because you can choose a cash payment and earn your first $5 just for signing up. National Consumer Panel. National Consumer Panel is a joint venture between Nielsen and IRI that tracks people's opinions on a variety of subjects. While NCP is primarily focused on tracking your shopping habits by scanning the products you purchase, they also provide video surveys to collect your opinion for advertising campaigns and product spots. To get started with NCP, you'll need to have an Apple or Android device. If you don't have a compatible smartphone, National Consumer Panel will also send you a barcode scanner. The panel is about downloading an app free of charge. With the app, you'll scan the barcodes of the products you buy and receive points. The points can be redeemed in Nielsen's gift catalogue and gift cards. You'll also be entered into cash sweepstakes and surveys to earn more reward. The longer you'll stay, the more you'll earn. Watch Netflix. As the most popular subscription video streaming service, Netflix periodically hires taggers to watch and tag their programming to provide accurate recommendations to fellow subscribers. You can see all the opening positions on Netflix job board. Tagger positions are not the most financially lucrative and can require long hours, but if you love to binge watch content and watch anything Netflix has to offer, this could be a great opportunity. Viggle. Viggle makes it easy to earn money watching your favourite TV shows. All you have to do is tap the app when watching TV or streaming on various platforms. You'll earn 1 per minute plus any bonuses. Some shows offer 10 times bonuses that allows you to earn 10 points per minute of viewing. To make watching video fun, Viggle offers in-show games and opportunities to interact with your friends to earn even more points. Viggle will even offer extra points for watching new shows in addition to your current favourites. iRazoo. iRazoo has been in business for over a decade and has paid out over 100 million to members so far. When you watch videos on Razoo, you'll earn points. You can use these points to get PayPal cash or to get a gift card for popular retailers like Amazon. You can also earn extra points on iRazoo for taking surveys, playing games, completing offers and more. They'll also give you a referral program that will earn you points when you refer someone who signs up. Nielsen Digital Voice. As many households are cutting the cable TV cord and streaming TV shows and videos online, the methods used to measure TV viewing habits has changed. Nielsen Digital Voice gives you the opportunity to tell the world what you watch on your computer or mobile devices by downloading the Nielsen mobile app. In addition to being able to get paid to watch videos, you'll also get rewarded for any additional web activity as well. You'll get rewards and also be able to enter into a monthly cash prize drawings. Nielsen gives away at least $10,000 each month, and over 400 members win smaller cash prizes each month. It's also possible to earn additional rewards for participating in surveys. Nielsen TV Ratings. If you still watch traditional television, you can also make money by becoming a Nielsen family. For decades, Nielsen families have been the primary influence for television shows' ratings as households track which shows they watch. While this is a great opportunity, participants are chosen at random and there isn't an application process. You will need to watch your mailbox for an invitation. If you are selected, they will pay you for your efforts. Nielsen does invite more families during seasonal months such as February, May, July and November. Scijoy. If you enjoy alternative ads on your smartphone, give Scijoy a try. Scijoy will display an ad when you unlock your phone on the password screen. Sliding your thumb right will dismiss the ad, while sliding left will engage the ad and take you to the advertiser's website to interact with the ad. These ads can include watching YouTube videos, browsing the advertiser's website and activating a digital coupon, or earning Google Play credits. To ensure fairness, you can earn the same amount if you interact or dismiss the ad. You can also earn points for referring friends and linking your Facebook account. Quick Reward. Another site that allows you to make money watching videos and completing online tasks is Quick Reward. Many people from online communities prefer Quick Rewards because membership is open to residents in the US, Canada and the UK. In addition to being able to get paid to watch videos, you can also sign up for additional money-making opportunities, including at least 3 daily surveys, reading emails and daily shopping opportunities that allows you to earn at least 25% cashback. You're able to redeem points for cash in your PayPal account and gift cards to your favourite restaurants, stores and including Amazon. Creation Rewards. Creation Reward pays you to watch videos and also to shop online, take in surveys, explore websites, play games and refer friends. The earning opportunities are limitless. You can earn your reward points to get gift cards or PayPal cash. New members can also earn a $5 sign-up bonus. CashKick. CashKick sites is slightly different from the other sites that pay you to watch videos or complete surveys. CashKick displays its offers in one place. Most of the offers require you to sign up. CashKick gets paid to promote products and services, then shares the commission with you. Make sure you read the conditions carefully. Some subscriptions start with a free trial, yet continue into a paid subscription after the trial is finished. You can make extra cash watching videos amongst other things in your free time from almost anywhere. It's possible to make this side hustle from home or on the go if you have a smartphone. The flexibility of how you can earn money watching videos and movies is what makes this fun and creative opportunity for everyone. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.